Today we already saw some of the labs of the university, and it was really impressive, and all the people here are really helpful.
I am from the Greek delegation that took part in the NPU Spring Sino-Euro School for the first time this year from the National Technical University of Athens.
We came here for the Sino-European exchange at NPU, the 2026 edition.
And would you like to say a little bit more about that experience?
First of all, the academic was really interesting. We had the opportunity to learn lessons about rocket propulsion, which was really interesting.
One, two!
I really enjoyed my stay at the Sino-Euro Spring School. I really like the program. Xi'an, I think, is a pretty good city, and you can feel the history and also the life. I learned a lot personally about Chinese culture that is pretty different from my culture in Spain.
We managed to do some theoretical work and also some practical work, and we saw different types of projects. So it was actually really good to be here in China and getting to know like the difference between the Chinese people and the European people.